are you defining temporary in this case? Because I understand that the monument might be in that place for years. Obviously, there are some things that might be there for a day. So how would the court gauge whether or not something is temporary under the case law before us?
Yes, Your Honor. The monument here is temporary because it has been moved and will be removed, and the intent of the parties was for this monument to be temporary.
And if it's a memorial of some kind, which takes into account death, then it's okay to use the cross, because that's our civic tradition. Is that what you're saying?
Not necessarily, Mr. Chief Justice.
No, not necessarily. That's a
That's
little
problematic.
old. Give me something that is necessarily.
No, Mr. Chief Justice.
Are you arguing for an actual control test or an apparent control test?
Your Honor, this court has used both in coming to these determinations, and to address Your Honor's previous concerns about a bright-line rule, these are fact-by-fact determinations which can be viewed through this court's recent jurisprudence in Pleasant Grove City v. Summum through both actual control and perceptive control.
Workers who were cleaning up the zone were actually...
Maybe not. I mean, do we need to take a poll on that to see what they really believe?
No, Your Honor. The analysis isn't what a majority of Americans believe, because the First Amendment...
Well, why wouldn't that be helpful?
It would not be helpful, Your Honor, because the First Amendment isn't designed to protect the majority. They can protect themselves in a democracy. The First Amendment is designed to protect those minorities, those who are made to feel like outcasts in society.